Last thing, what if we have, find the slope of each line given slope-intercept form? Y equals mx plus b is what we call slope-intercept form. As long as your equation looks like this, slope-intercept form, you identify the slope by whatever m is, not the x. Do not write x next to it, okay? Do not write x next to it, just the number in front of the x. But if it's a line not in slope-intercept form, guess what? Put it that way. Put it in slope-intercept form. And how do you do that? With this thing called algebra. You do the inverse operation to get things to the other side. Okay? Example, here. Does anybody know? The faster you answer, the faster we move along. What's the slope of this equation? What is the slope of this one? Y equals x minus 5. What number's in front of that x? Anyone? No one. It's a 1, guys. Or a 1 over 1, okay? What's the slope of this one? What about number 8? What is the slope of number 8? What number's in front of the x, guys?
7 over 5.
Thank you. You're the best. 7 over 5. Done. That's it. Here, if you have something like this, and all I could do is x equals -4, and I don't have, ready? This is, put a star by it, and I don't have y at all. That means m is undefined, okay? You can't define it. You can't make it y equals mx plus b, okay? We can't do anything about it. Here, we're going to try. I have -y. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. I want to get it to look like y equals mx plus b. I'm going to add 2 to both sides to get rid of that -2. -y equals 2. But I don't like this negative in front. I'm just moving this over. It really means -1y is equal to 2. And I don't want that negative there. So what am I going to do? Divide both sides by -1. Y, these reduce, gone, equals +2 over -1 is -2. The slope is not -2. Y equals mx plus b, but your plus b is the -2. M is in front of x. Since -2 is not with an x, it's your b. Does anyone know what the b is in y equals mx plus b? The b is the y-intercept, okay? 2 more examples. Powering through. If you have a denominator of 3 on some of them, that's my biggest denominator over here. I'm going to multiply everything by 3. It crosses out any 3's that are there, and then it just multiplies inside if there's no 3 on bottom. Here, the 3's are gone. They cross out. All that would be left is -5y. Just model it like this, okay? Equals x times 3. Everybody gets a 3, okay? X times 3, so 3x minus this 3 with that 3 gone. Cross it out. What's left? 25. I want it to look like y equals mx plus b. I'm going to divide everybody by -5, -5, -5. Y equals, that's gone. -3 over 5. We move that negative up. X. Negative over a negative is plus 5. 25 divided by 5 was 5. But what's the answer? M equals -3 over 5. Okay? Last one. Here. I'm not going to multiply by 3 this time. What would be my least common denominator? It's not a little number. It's like, here the denominator was 1, but the least common denominator was 3 that I multiplied by. What number could I multiply by that would clean out all my denominators for number 12?
2.
2 will clear out the
Three.
2, but the 6 will still have a 3 on bottom.
Okay.
So what bigger number? Keep going up a little bigger. How about 6? Ready? Watch. If you do the 6 here, it's going to cross out with that 6. Adios. Fraction, no more. All that's left is the negative, the 5, and the y. Gone is the 6. That and that cross out. Equals x. X times 6. Well, nothing there, but 6x. Bye. Look at that. No fractions. Minus 2 and 6 reduce to 3 and 1. And then 3 times 5 is 15. And we're going to post this video and you're going to use this, okay? Divide, divide, divide. Negative 5. We've got to get it. Y equals mx plus b. Negative 5, negative 5, negative 5. Y equals. These are reduced, gone. Positive 6 over negative 5. We bring the negative up. So negative 6 over 5x. Negative over negative is plus. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So what is our m? Slope is negative 6 over 5. And that's the end of this worksheet here, okay? If you understand how to get slope off of this, it's a thumbs up. If you don't, it's a thumbs down, okay?